YouTube, welcome back to my channel. All right, Yancy here. Please excuse the look. Literally, when I say I just got home, I just got home. So this is the look, but either which way, I am home. I just got a box that came in, and that box actually is my vintage bag that I've been talking about, that I've been letting you guys know about, and I am excited. I'm about to open it right now because it literally just got here. So it got here right before I walked in, but either which way, here we go. All right. Okay, so I probably opened it up completely wrong, but as you can see, it came from Coach, and it came from their New York store. So they wrapped it up really cute. I'm gonna slide it out. Just, it's literally just a little letter just saying thank you for allowing us to repair your item. So, dun, 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 dun. All right. So, here it is. So yes, this is the original Willis Top Handle bag. So as you can see, it definitely is a little flat. And in the video before, like I was telling you guys, that top Willis bag that I have, it definitely is more structured. This one isn't. And even when you look online, this is exactly how it is. It's more kind of like that floppy. The bag itself, the leather is still that buttery leather, but you can tell the wear on it itself. What I needed to get fixed was the turn lock. So if you can kind of see where they still have the plastic on there, they replaced that because it was kind of like coming out from inside. So we're going to turn lock this baby together. Okay, all right. So I don't know, I'm gonna assume they fixed this because this was not like this. It literally was gold. So I don't know if they kind of just, you know, put some fabric around it, maybe the way it was looking. I have no idea. Okay, see, so for this one, you do see that little scratch, but again, this was bought in 1998, so you're gonna have some wear. They did actually polish it before they sent it off, so it looks nice. All right, so here goes, you guys. All right. Yep, so it looks like they replaced this little turn lock mechanism because this was all scratched up right in here. All of this is scratched up. And then this was literally coming out. So it was coming out of this little interior pocket right here, and you can see it coming through from inside. So what they did, I'm gonna assume, because it wasn't like that before. All right, so right here where they actually, if you can see, and I'm gonna try to get it as close as possible, this whole area right here was actually covered in raw leather material. So I'm going to assume what they did was they actually took a little piece of kind of like a circular section. That way they could insert a brand new turn lock key, because there's really no way to actually do it without doing it that way. And then they just kind of, you know, secured it in there or whatever. So that's why it's kind of showing now, because before it actually wasn't showing. Everything in here was just that raw covered material. All right, so they didn't do anything with the zipper because the zipper was fine. So literally, more than likely, if they did anything, it would have been just to polish it. But for the most part, everything is completely the same. And the only thing they did was just refurbish the turtleneck key. So you have this soft buttery leather in here, you have this raw material right up in here. So again, this is my vintage piece I took from my mom. I'm trying to kind of like flatten out the bottom so it has a little bit of structure, but because it is an older bag, it is a vintage bag, you know, you're pretty much gonna have it how it is. And I'll definitely put up pictures, you guys, of the new reimagined Willis Top Handle bag. And like I said, I mean, you could definitely go into your local store, you can go online, you can call Coach, but I know these particular bags itself, the reimagined ones, are sold out, and they have them in a red color, a blue, and a kind of like a tannish looking color. So it's really cute. That is my reveal. That is my refurbished or repaired Coach bag. So again, this is the Willis Top Handle bag. My mom bought this in 1998. I'm gonna keep this. We just kind of agreed that I am gonna have this. So yes, it cost me about $35 for them to fix that, send it off, and I think they did a great job. So I'm definitely gonna take better care of this. I'm gonna have it in the collection, and then once again, you guys, I am going to kind of like put some things in it. I'll probably go back to Coach and get a strap for this, because the only thing my mom didn't have was a strap. She says she still has it, she just has to look for it, but I'm really thinking about getting one of those thicker guitar straps for the bag, because I think that'll be really cute, and it'll just kind of like pop with this bag. So nothing too outrageous, something that just kind of like, you know, meshes with this bag itself, because again, it's just a cute little black bag and it can be used for anything. So I am happy with this. I am very, very happy with this. But here she is. You have a vintage bag, I don't care if it's Coach, Chanel, Fendi, you guys rock those vintage bags, bring it back, you know, make it your own. All right, so that's it. There you have it. She's cute. I like it. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you guys leave them below. If you want to subscribe, which I hope you do, go ahead and just push the button, click the bell to get notified, and give me a few likes. All right, and then just comment. All right, so we can just go back and forth, and that's it. All right, thank you for joining me, you guys. I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye bye.